Okay, let me see if we are live. And hmm, yeah, okay, yes. So let me just copy this. Okay. Hmm, 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 okay, just paste it up. Uh, yes, okay, we're live now. So hey guys, I hope all of you are doing great. And today I'll continue with the goals that we had. So starting with the first thing. So if you remember, we will connect to Postgres today and we'll like load some blogs and basic stuff we will do with this. And then we'll jump into building something big, something more complex. And I'm not sure if Git is that much complex or not, but yeah, let's see. So first thing first, we'll start with Postgres. So as you remember, I was able to, fix the Postgres issue that I was facing. So we created one user yesterday as well. So let me just put the credentials up here. So it's the username was our user. Then we had pass as password. And what else did we have? I think this was pretty much it. Let's connect to this our user and okay, so it's the D database. It's going to be okay. Hmm. I think I forgot the database name. I think it was our blogs, if I'm not wrong. Our blogs, and then we will have the host, which will be again going to be http:// 127.0.0.1. That is essentially localhost, and then we'll have W, and the password is password. Okay, it isn't able to do that, so we'll just say localhost. Hey. Hmm, okay, wait a second. Hmm. Brew services list. Oh, it's not running. I'll have to see that, so that it runs on startup, but later on. Brew, so, okay, services start, post. Okay, it's not giving me any autocomplete, and it's going to be this. Now, if we do this, we should have, yes, okay. So again, PSQL, I think we'll go with this one. Yeah, there you go. So we have now connected to the database. Now, what shall we do? So let me list out all the databases. Okay, so slash describe users. So we have ID, username, and email. Okay, so let's do one thing. First, in our code, we'll jump in here. Okay, so I was following a guide, right? So let's see. These setup with Rust. Mm-hmm. Okay. And Diesel setup with Rust. We have this PostgreSQL. Okay, so they have used Postgres directly. Nice. Uh, we have Diesel Postgres. Let me just confirm this. If I've used the same thing. Cargo.toml. Yes. So we have Diesel, we have R2D2 and Postgres. Okay, installing Diesel CLI. We have already done that part. So Diesel provides a separate CLI tools, help to manage projects since it's a standard binary and can doesn't affect your project's code directly. We don't add it to cargo.toml. Okay, instead we just reinstall it on our system. So it's basically a CLI, and that is what they are saying. You can also use on the following command. Mhm. Just to validate if we install this one or not. Cargo install diesel. Okay. Cargo install diesel CLI. I think we did this one. Hmm. Uh, yeah. So we have, we'll just go SQL user. We'll say our user SQL pass. We'll have password, and then we will have SQL. Okay, SQL DB. We will have what? Our blogs, and then we will have SQL port. So this is 432, which is again not required, I guess. I don't know. So anything else I'm missing here? Okay, SQL host, just in case if it doesn't have it. So we'll just go local host. Yeah. So that's the setup part. We'll go to main.rs. Okay, we'll see that part later on. Mhm. So, listen, where to find a database. Okay. Mhm. And just for Diesel's help, we will do one thing. We will say, um, okay, database underscore URL is going to be this one, Postgres hash user run password at the rate local host slash our blogs, and then, well, that's about it. Now you open the terminal and just say diesel setup. Hey, oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. I'm very bad at spelling though. Library not loaded like this. Okay, I think we have faced this issue. Yeah. Uh, library not loaded. Hmm, that's about it, right? Did I miss something? Hmm, Diesel is version. Hey, that's okay. There's a cargo run. Hmm, hmm. Okay, no, so the running part, I'm not really, as of now, it's okay. The major thing that we are looking at right now, mhm, the main.rs, I think we should be able to run now. Diesel setup, same thing. Hmm. Diesel looking for Postgres at the 16 by default. Let me close this and say cargo clean. Hmm. Cargo install. Sorry, cargo run. Hmm. I think we have Postman. Mm, I don't know what's the problem with this. Getting this, Postman has encountered an error with prompt. Okay, Postman. Okay, I think I'll have to set up Postman as well. We'll see that. Hmm. Control R, teaser, setup. Still not sure why. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say about this. Let's select this whole thing. And hmm, I just put it in here. So as I'm using Postgres 17, this is already done. I did this one as well. Um, I guess, see. Mm, mm. Okay, guys, I think that should do that. I'll just say diesel setup, same thing. Okay. So we will just say till the CSH RC, and if I run, sorry, what we were doing again? This one deal setup, right? Dude, this is still not working. Hmm. Okay, just a second. I do not want to open um ZSH on here. Let me just do it up here. Hey, there you go. PostgreSQL is there. Hmm. Don't think we'll need this many of these. So yeah. So still there dot CSHRC. Yep, we have it. And now, yes, I believe now we should be able to do this diesel setup. A diesel setup. Oh, crap. Hmm. Are you freaking kidding me right now? So still there dot CRC. Yes. And it's still doing the same thing. Hmm. And with the SHRC. I seriously do not understand why it is happening this way. Um, what if I just say exit and again another one? Hmm. So this is another instance, and okay, so control our diesel setup. What's up with this? Hmm. I updated the ZSHRC file. I still am not sure why diesel setup is not working. Okay, let's see. So just a second, let me open it again and here. Hmm. PC is fully charged. Sorry, it's not a PC though. So the NVIDIA ZSHRC, we have this, we have Postgres. Yeah, teaser. Hey, library not loaded. Hmm, why is that so? Hey, wait a second. It is looking for this one. Okay. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Um, okay. Let's try this out again one more time. Which libpq? Hmm? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, I think I forgot to bring it here. Yeah. I'm just reinstalling, this diesel one. Diesel crate. Sorry, diesel CLI actually, not crate. It's getting kind of cold here, guys. Just a minute. Let's see if we. Hey, finally we are there. Hmm. Mhm. Mhm. Ah, okay. Sorry. Mhm. So we have dot E. Okay. I forgot I've set up that I cannot, open the entries from there. Yes, sorry guys for yawning. Actually, it's kind of after hours for me. So diesel setup. We have the setup now. Let's see what has changed. So we see the migrations directory, then we have nothing else. Yep, okay. So we only see the migrations and that's it. Okay, cool. Let's get back to the documentation. Okay, let me close Postman as in it's, I don't know, it was open. So we'll close that. We did diesel setup. Okay, so diesel migration generate creates post. Okay, so we are not going to do this. What we will do is I'll drop this table. So I'll drop table users. Oh, sorry. So controller PSQL, this one, and we'll say password and drop table users. Yes. So I actually forgot how to clean that. So yeah, I don't remember that command. We'll search for that later on. So we have this. Yes. Hmm. Okay. So here we say what is the command and diesel migration generate create posts. Okay, so we will say diesel migration generate create users. Yeah. Okay. So it's a typical, like up and down sort of thing. So we will have this. Yeah. So when we say we'll do this, create table users, this users, and we'll bring it down here. We'll say ID is going to be we're going with the string right now, so I'll just say varchar. Um, it's gonna be like 32-bit varchar. Sorry, 32 characters, not bit to be honest. And then we'll say primary key. Okay, title is oh sorry, we are not going with title. Username is going to be again varchar. I think I'll go with 50. Um, we'll make it unique. And as it is a primary key, it is supposed to be unique as well. It's not null. And sorry, it's not password, it's email. So that, and again I'll go with 50 characters, unique, not null. So this is most likely what we have, and then we'll say, okay, so let me save it, and here and then down we'll just say drop table users. Yes. So we have create table users ID varchar unique primary key and title username is this and this. So let me just go to model user.rs and that's exactly what we have here. Good. So guys, I think next thing what we will do will basically going to run this migration. So we have this. Let me see if we have saved it. Yes, so I'll just quickly say diesel migration run. Let's see if that is the right command. Yep. Okay, we did this. And so quickly, if I just have to say PSQL, yeah, /d, we have users. Great. So we have users. Now I'll just say describe users. And we have username character bank 32 50 50, and there you go. So great. So great. Okay. Yes. I think that should be fine. And haha. So we will create another one. Hmm. Okay, no, as of now, we do not need this. So yeah. So good idea and shut down. Is correct. You can do quickly confirm the down. So very good. Okay. Migration directly by redoing the migration. Okay, let's do this then. Let's test it out so that we have this. Control R, diesel migration. Yeah, redo. And if we now say Control R, PSQL, we say password. Yeah, D. Hey, it didn't drop that. Drop table users. Mhm. Rolling back migrations. Hey, it's like an inception, bro. Okay. So what? What I was doing. So PSQL and hey, what happened? and we have password here. Slash D still says this is right there. Um, uh, 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 um, okay. In the up, we say we said users, and in the down, we said drop table. Okay. Is it because of this that I had a semicolon there? Hmm. No. Scrolling back migration, running migration. So it's rolling back and again it's running that. Hmm. So it says reverse the specified migrations. Hmm. Okay. So as I suspected that, thank God I saw that. Otherwise, okay. So, we have migration revert. I forgot. It was reverts or revert? Revert. Oh, revert. Yeah. Okay. So PSQL. Oh, sorry. Control R PSQL this. Then we will have password then slash D, and we are good. Okay. Thank God. Yes. So diesel migrations run. Yeah. And just to clear verify, uh, we have what PSQL. Sorry, password. There you go. Okay, so we are good on that front. Yes. Now here's the thing. So since migrations are written in raw SQL, they can contain specific features of database systems you use. For example, create table statement above. See, if you want to use SQLite instead, you need to use integer instead. The diesel GitHub repository that has modified examples for all supported backend, blah 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 blah. Okay. If you prefer to generate your migration based on Rust code instead, the Diesel CLI tool provides an additional hyphenated schema on the Diesel migration generate. Command that allows to generate migration based on the current schema definition and your database. To generate a migration equivalent to this shown raw SQL, you need to create schema.rs file with the following content. Okay. The documentation of table macro contains the syntax used for macros. In the syntax used for this macros, the reason SQL text module provides the documentation for SQL site types used to define the relevant columns. The schema, this will generate both of okay. This is cool. Um, I'm just curious that how are we doing this? How are we, like keeping track of multiple tables? So yeah, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. Hmm. Here, what shall I do? What should I do? Hmm. 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 For now, this part I'm good. I'm not going to use that one for now. So we have write source lib Postgres service. Okay, so this is basically the connection part that we have already designed. I mean, we are doing it in here, right? So this is basically what we have in here. Of a friend established connection, this, that. There we have this. You're using R2D2. So this one. Okay, I think this is required in a way, like the way they have went through with this one. Haha. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me um diesel my diesel E diesel migration report. We have this, then and A. Okay. So we have the schema.rs here. Now here's the thing that I'll just say diesel table macros. Then we will say users. Then we'll say ID. ID is a string. So let's say varchar. Mm-hmm. Varchar. Then we will have username. And again, we will have varchar. Then we have published. Sorry, we're just going by the example there. So it's where, yeah, yeah. So if I've done this one, yeah, okay, so we have the migration and then this. Yeah, you see, they have also used this quotation thing. Ah, I'm feeling sleepy right now. I don't know. Let's see how long we can go for this one. And once we do that, what next? Okay. Diesel, sorry, Control R, diesel, Control R, diesel. Mhm. Diesel, run, migration run. So yeah. Oh, okay, enough SQL. Let's write some Rust. We will start by writing some code to exports first. Okay, so now to do this one, I think what we need first, let's come up here. We have the EMV database here. So it's the connection that we are building. Yes, I've already done that part. It's database URL only, right? If I'm not wrong, it's database URL. Yeah. Okay. Based on this, uh, where are we? Uh, hmm. Pub models. Hey, wait. Pub mod again. Pub mod. Mm-hmm. Pub mod schema. Next, we need to create the two modules that we just did. Hmm. Here, now I will come up models and then I'll go to user. We have derived this one. And this use diesel, not disco. Yeah, diesel prelude. Yeah, diesel prelude. We will import everything from there. Then, uh, yeah, so we will again have diesel table name equals create schema. Then we will have user Postgres, this schema. Okay, so I have written it properly. Yeah, users. Create schema users, then we will say, so it's diesel check for backend diesel png png. Yeah, GIESEL. I have written it properly. Have I made any mistakes here? I don't see anything. Close this one and open it up again. And so we have tab where I was. No, I'm feeling too tired. Okay, whatever. Hmm. Okay, understood. Diesel table is still compiled and checks. Okay. Typically, the schema module does not isn't created by hand. Diesel setup on a file or window was created which turns the mental look like this. The exact output might vary slightly depending on the database, but my table table macro creates a bunch of code based on database schema to present all the tables and all of this. Okay, isn't that the order post for the post table? Make sure define them in order. In order, schema.rs. Okay. Um, I think today I won't be continuing because I have to, get to office earlier. So I think I'll just, call it a day for today. We'll fix these issues and we should be able to, connect to database and get our blogs and create users on Rust. But till then, we'll continue it tomorrow at the same time. And thanks a lot, guys, for joining. Have a nice day, and I'll call it a day for today. Thank you.